Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add profiles with the Onn TV Box. So before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So we're going to do this on the top panel. So navigate to the top panel of the screen. You can see me at the top bar, and I'll go to the top left. Here you can find I have multiple profiles. To add a profile, just hit on the last icon here with the plus. This will prompt you to add an account. I did a complete video showing you how to add a Google account to this Onn TV. Have a look at that video, add the accounts you want to add, and when you're done, you'll be able to navigate between those accounts just like this. So I have this account running now. If I want to switch, I just need to click on this one and I'm on this new profile. So you could switch between profiles like that, and it serves you to make sure your watching is not interrupted by another person who happens to want to use the Onn TV box. So if you found this insightful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.